Nigeria has seized over 100 bags of plastic rice smuggled into the country, where prices of the staple food are rocketing ahead of the Christmas and New Year holidays. A suspect has been arrested over the haul of 102 bags of the fake rice.
The Consumers Association of Penang, President SM Muhammad Idris, says it is a bit tricky to identify the fake eggs because at a glance they look similar. He advises the public to take a closer look and to be wary of unusual shaped eggs. Idris said an email circulated in the internet had stated that fake eggs were common in China and were full of chemicals. According to the email, the shell is made of calcium carbonate, while the yolk and egg white are made of alum, gelatin, calcium chloride, and other chemicals besides water and food coloring. He says calcium chloride found in the fake eggs may cause liver diseases, while benzoic acid can be harmful to the brain and nerve cells.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Hi! So if you're a carnivore like me, then you'll love nothing more than biting into a juicy hamburger or a succulent roast chicken. But what if you could have the same meat experience without slaughtering an animal? I'm here at Just in San Francisco, where they're working on a clean meat or a cultured meat product using cells taken from a living chicken. And then I am going to try a lab-grown chicken nugget. Wish me luck.
Question, filet mignon is one of the best and most expensive cuts of meat.
But we call on Curtis Ming with why not all fillets are the same.
Well, we've heard of pink slime by now, but now we are hearing of something called meat glue. How do you know if that steak you ordered in a restaurant is a quality piece of meat or just some scraps held together with meat glue?
Watch as leftover scraps are bound together using a white powder, a transglutaminase known as meat glue.
Because this is going to bind everything together. It doesn't take much. You just kind of got to get a little light coating all over all the meat.
This chef from a culinary school shows us how he rolls the treated steak chunks into a mold and places it in the fridge overnight. The next day, those chunks appear to be one piece, which can be cut into steaks that could be sold for top dollar. It is that easy.
People who eat hot dogs eat them because they taste so good. But what's in them is not so good. You know, we've learned to accept it, but I don't know if you'll feel so accepting after this. The company Clear Foods recently analyzed 345 hot dog and sausage products from 75 brands and retailers and found, are you hot dog lovers ready for this? Human DNA in 2% of the samples and in 2/3 of the vegetarian samples. And get this, 10% of all vegetarian products appear to contain meat. Clear Foods says that there are some companies producing high-quality hot dog, top scores to Butterball, McCormick, Eckrich, and Hebrew National. Human DNA.